Good day, ma'am. Ano po yung order niyo?
Thank you.
Good day, sir. Ano po yung order niyo? Ano po kayo?
First, what is feedback?
Feedback is information about reaction to a product, a person performance to a task. Feedback helps employees to identify skill gaps and set development goals, driving them to extend their capabilities.
How do we respond to the feedback? If we agree with the feedback, thank the person for their input, express your commitment to improve, and last, ask for support or suggestion. If you disagree with the feedback, first, explain your rationale. 2. Provide your counter evidence. And last, suggest an alternative solution.
Narito ang ilang mga tips kung paano i-handle ang feedback. Ready ka na ba, partner? Ready na! Number 1, change your mindset. Feedback is an opportunity to improve. And hindi lahat ng feedback ay masama dahil makakatulong siya upang mapabuti tayo.
And go.
Number 2, active listening. Make sure to always pay attention sa mga feedback na nare-receive mo. Number 3, manage your emotions. Huwag maging pabigla-bigla sa sasabihin na gagawin natin. Number 4, respond. Always remember to be professional and respectful kapag magre-respond ka sa mga feedback. Number 5, take an action. We do not just listen, but take an action. Be better and best. Pay attention on feedback.